As we go into the last hour, this is how your markets are trading. All right, so take a look at the following, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw the lines and you're going to do the analysis in your own mind. Line number 1, you can see it right there. Line number 2, we can take the top side, the RSI, do it as such, or we can even do it from here. Let me change colors there so you can have 3 lines to consider, and the implications of moving above the lines, the 3 lines, or resistance on the 3 lines.